Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting from the watch face. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and on your wrist. Tap the workout app if the session is visible, or press the digital crown and open the activity app to view history. Once done, scroll to the specific workout you want removed. This narrows the target and prevents accidental deletes. Make sure to double-check the date and duration so you don't remove the wrong session. Accuracy matters, because this affects your activity rings and logs. You found the workout entry. Now swipe left on that session to reveal the red delete button. Tap delete and confirm when the watch asks. This removes it from the watch's activity history immediately. If the workout persists on your paired iPhone, open the health or fitness app and ensure it syncs. You may need to force sync by opening the apps or toggling Bluetooth briefly. Make sure to wait a few moments so the removal propagates between devices and cloud backups. If you prefer the iPhone, open the fitness or health app and find workouts under activity. Tap the session, choose delete, and confirm to remove it across devices. Once deleted, check your Apple Watch and the fitness app to verify the rings and totals updated correctly. If the workout still appears, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, toggle them, then restart both watch and phone. Signing out and back into iCloud is a last resort. This usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.